Alright, Microsoft has officially confirmed Windows 11 26H2, and they're already telling IT admins to prepare for release. But here's the twist. This isn't the big heavy system breaking upgrade. It's actually one of the easiest window updates we've seen this year. Let's break it down. Windows 11 26H2 is built on the same servicing branch as 24H2 and 25H2. Translation: the code already exists on your machine. Microsoft just hasn't flipped the switch yet. This update is an enablement package, not a full rebuild. So instead of a giant download, long reboot, and praying your drivers survive, this is more of a features unlock. Small download, fast install, minimal disruption, lower compatibility risk. If you're on 26H1, though, you're out of luck. This branch can't jump to 26H2. Microsoft is warning IT admins. Microsoft posts a heads up to IT departments saying start validating now. They want organizations to treat 26H2 like it's a predictable annual milestone, not a major migration. Admins are being told validate insider builds, review deployment tools, set up rollout rings, prepare for enablement package servicing. This is Microsoft's long-term strategy. Make Windows updates boring again. And honestly, that's a good thing. Expect the features and changes. Microsoft hasn't expected features and changes. Microsoft hasn't dropped a full features list, but based on insider builds and servicing notes, here's what is likely. More AI-powered Windows features, more improvements to Windows Update Business, better security baseline, more energy-efficient tweaks, IU refinement, and accessibility upgrades. Nothing earth-shattering, but enough to keep Windows moving forward without breaking everything. The regular people, this update is basically faster, safer, and less annoying. No reinstalled apps, no redoing up settings, no my printer disappeared again moments. If you're ready for 24H2 or 25H2, 26H2 will feel like a monthly patch. My take, Microsoft's new update strategy. This is Microsoft trying to fix the chaos that Windows 10 era. Instead of giant updates that breaks half the ecosystem, they're shifting to smaller annual updates. Enablement packages, predictable servicing, and few surprises. It's the same model they've used successfully with Windows 10 in the later years, and honestly, it's the right move. Windows 11 26H2 is confirmed. It's coming soon, and it's going to be one of the easiest updates Microsoft has shipped in a long time. IT admins should prepare, but everyday users, you'll barely notice it. If you want it, you'll barely notice it. That's what I'm trying to say. If you want more, please like, follow, and subscribe. Have a good evening. We'll be back.